just doing another video again to show you I have more or less finished now. I've got a lot more lights on. I'll take you a tour around, show you each area, but just to start with, I was just showing you how you can judge the length and width of this layout. It's approximately 30 foot long by 8 foot wide, and they've just stopped because I'm away from the control. Right, we start at the far end, we'll call it the clock end. As you see, we've got a double track going under the tunnel and a double track on the top there. And as we swing round, we've got the goods shed with a few lights on. Some more sidings there. And of course, where I can store a few locals. We've got the diesel point. And coming down, you can see I've added some more yard lights there. The billboards, signboards, whatever you like to call them, with the lights on. I've added those. And I've actually got some of those signal lights which were from the old set, and they're actually working. I'll switch the light. That's for Ted. It took me ages to figure it out. I've done these many times and I just could not figure out the wiring, but it's all working now. And as we come down, you can see again more lights. One thing I'm going to mention, a lot of you mentioned about these logs on those bolster trucks. I'll just show you. A lot of you will have seen them from before. I think it's about 12 months, 18 months ago I did these. You can buy these rolls from Poundland. It's probably them at garden centres as well. They're like, I think it's willow. They use it for going around plants. They're in a roll. You just take the wire off, cut them to the size you want, and there you are. You've got your logs. But I was in Poundland today in town, and they've got them in stock. So for £1, you've got a lot of logs there. Anyway, coming down, we've got the factory area, brewery, factory. These are all what I had on the old layout, so that's what's made it a lot easier this time. Everybody says how fast I've done it. Of course, I know almost all the bits from the past. So when you've got it all at hand, it's a lot quicker. More or less just doing your track and getting that right. Coming further down, of course, we've got the bus depot then. Little village area, town scene, few shops, houses, siding, and then of course we come round and we've got the pub, and of course that Burger King, big burger, whatever they call it, we bought. I'll just bring the camera down, I'll take you in a bit. As you can see, we've got people sat there in the pub yard as you would have. And then I've actually put people inside that burger place. There's lights on in there. Don't show so much in the light. I'll just fix the lights up. As you can see, it stands out a lot better then. Anyway, lights back on, we'll continue around the corner then. A bit of an industrial area there. Again, another signboard there with the lights on. Coming round a bit further. We've got the police station, the police cars. We've got a light there outside. And then the next door, we've got the fire station with a few more shops again. Again, I'll move the camera further up. As I said, there's a few more shops. And we go up a little bit further and we've got the garage, church. I think there's a wedding going off there. We'll just have another look. Move up again. Full swing there, wedding going off. Now we're getting ready to up to the pub afterwards, another few. And we come along and we've got the platform. And again, We'll move further up. As you can see across over the side we've got a bus stop, paper seller there. That actually is lit up, that Smith's all with it. Magazines anyway. Come further up, you can see I put a light on over the walkway there. There's somebody inside, there's two inside there. Not the old TARDIS, so it's like to say it, but they're the old police boxes those, but I know the young ones now think they're Doctor Who's boxes. We'll just go up again. From the station then we come up to this little area. Middle of the scene there with the cottage, the fish pond, and of course the gypsy site there, and I don't know if you can see that fire from this. I might have to go further up. As you can see there, yeah, you've got the fire going, they're all sat round there, behind a chinwag. Then we've got the boating lake, as we call it. And of course we've still got Deb's Cafe down there. A lot of you know Deb as my wife, Deb, also known as the Stig for her gentle driving, shall we say. And then we come up to the canal. More signboards with lights on. Got quite a bit of activity going on there on the canal side. A lot of activity on the railway there, isn't there? Just as I come round. As you can see, I put some more lights down this street as well. Come up to the far end again. Like I said, we call that the clock end. Well, there you go, that's the tour of the new railway. I'll do a few sessions of running trains shortly and then I'll put it all together.